This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can adjust and disable the automatic screen timeout option on this device. So first, take the action pod and power it on. Here, swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to open the control panel. Now, go to the second page and launch settings. Here, enter the general, screen auto sleep, and switch its value anywhere between 5 and 90 seconds, 3 minutes. And you can also switch it to never, so your screen will never automatically go to sleep. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.